Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxing, spoilers, and giveaways. We have the Fab Fit Fun summer box here for you. Cannot wait. We're giving away one of the items to you in here. I also have a mystery bundle that I did. That's also in here as well. Cannot wait to see what I got in the mystery bundle. Let me put this box down, it's kind of heavy. I do want to welcome anybody who's new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. For all my return subscribers, you know I love spoiling you guys. Every month I try and do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of May, it is the Glam Light Margarita palette. She looks like this on the inside. Fun, fun, fun. So you can find the link for this in the description box down below under current giveaways. It'll take you to the video that this one was announced on. That's where you find the Google form for this giveaway. Like I said, I have a brand new one of these for one of you guys. Giveaways are really easy. Be subscribed to the channel. Watch the videos in their entirety. Somewhere in today's video is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know for today's giveaway. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun group here. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it to all. And if you are watching on your mobile device, go into your settings. I really want you guys to know when I upload. Definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways because I do them a lot here on the channel. Now, as far as what is on my eyes today, it is the Juvia's Place Candy Shop palette. I love this palette. Kind of looks like this. I have this shade here on my eyes, all over the lid. It's a stunning, stunning shade. Switches from pink to peach to has a little bit of like a bluish green silver. It's love this one. So the Fab Fit Fun is beauty, lifestyle, kind of fitness, good for you, home type items. It is $60 per quarter. I do have a code in the description box down below. It will get you $50 off your first order with FabFitFun. So that code is just there for your convenience. If you do use it, I thank you. It helps me out on any of the add-ons that I want to do. So I think it's time that we dive in and find out what we got in this box. How are you guys doing? Let me know in the comments down below. Doing fabulous. Just got back from my son's graduation.
Connor Gary Bodden, Health Sciences. Julian Monica Betts, Health Sciences.
So the first thing in here is from Alice and Olivia by Stacy Bennett. It is a sticky note set. Retails for $19 and jot down a reminder or mark something with this chic set of sticky notes in a variety of sizes. There's 4 different sizes and each size does have 80 sheets in it. It's sealed. I don't know what I'm going to do with this yet. I'm going to give it as a gift. Today's giveaway, what I'm doing with that. So these 3 right here are all part of the mystery bundle since they were on top. From Dr. Brandt. We do have a lash and brow serum. I've been loving a lash serum lately. I've noticed mine are starting to put a little out, and I had to put a little more pencil in this one than I normally do because my brows are starting to thin out a little bit. But this retails for $58, you guys. Introducing the first intervention free brow lash growth serum from Dr. BeautyAmaB, Dr. Brandt Scientific Sandbox for innovative and on-trend formulas. This science-based solution for longer, fuller eyelashes and brows combines the power of stimulating tripeptide and nourishing biotin for exceptional growth without the need for expensive, invasive interventions. Which kind of looks like that. All that for $58. I know the one that I really like is, I haven't, full disclosure, I've not tried this one yet, so I can't say whether I like this one or don't. The one that I do really like, that I've used forever, is the new lash one, but that one's even twice as much as this one is, so if this one will work, and I can get twice as long as I can for the other one. Sign me up. So the last item in here is from Summer & Rose. It's their Atacama Claw Clip Trio. It does retail for $32. And claw clips are the accessory of the moment when it comes to hair. We love the set of 3 in gorgeous matte earth tones for keeping your hair back. So I have been like doing more clips and stuff. I was wearing this really cute butterfly clip. I was wearing this really cute kind of like, let's see, so here's, pull my hair back, but I was just wearing a plain black one. I had this really cute butterfly one that I got from Ulta Beauty in their hair section that it's so adorable, that I was wearing this past weekend at a family event. But oh, look at that. Love it. This one was a pretty good mystery bundle. I've had some duds before. This one's pretty good. I did want to also mention to you guys that I do have some starter boxes to give away. How the starter boxes work is you give me your name, your email address. I send that off to FabFitFun. FabFitFun sends you an email saying, hey, Christina recommended you to get a starter box. Starter boxes have a value of over $75. You get it for free. All you have to do is pay for shipping. You basically sign up for the FabFitFun service if you've never signed up before. And you do have 21 days to cancel it. So that gives you a chance to try out the products. Hey, do I like this? Do I not? Do I want to keep it? FabFitFun is my longest subscription box. I absolutely love it. First item in here is from Glow Recipe. I absolutely love the brand. So this is their Watermelon Glow Clay Pore Tight Facial Mask. It does retail for $40. It is obviously full size. A facial in a jar? Yes, please. This choice is a non-drying pore facial with hyaluronic acid to hydrate and chemical exfoliants and watermelon enzymes. Improves the appearance of pores. Brighter and softer skin is just a customization away. So they do say it is great for all skin types. I know that clay masks and I don't work well together. They really dry out my skin. So I'm either going to give this in today's giveaway or a future one. From Living Proof is a triple bond complex. This retails for $45. This past box fave is back and ready to give your hair a treatment. Season after season, reveal 8 times stronger hair that is more resistant to future damage, so your locks are luscious and healthy. Kind of looks like that. I think it'd be great for people with smoother hair. I'd have to look into it for curly hair, us curly hair girls. Hopefully it would reduce the frizz, I'm thinking. I am so excited by this one. So it's Vacation Super Spritz SPF 50 Face Mist. It does retail for $24. This must-have summer essential gives you the sun protection you need with just a spritz. It works well over makeup, so you can reapply whenever you need to do a refreshing boost during the long summer days ahead. Developed with Dr. Elizabeth Hale, Chief Medical Advisor to the Vacation brand and an SVP of Skin Cancer Foundation. I have one from Coolio that I really like for using over the makeup, because you put your makeup on and then how are you going to put sunscreen on? You use a little dandy thing like this throughout the day. So as long as it doesn't leave a white cast, count me in. From Thrive Cosmetics is a sheer strength hydrating lip tint in Cara. It does retail for $26. So this lip tint is officially coming with us everywhere. With Thrive's 24-hour moisture lock complex, your lips will be deeply hydrated instantly and over time, becoming visibly smoother and softer no matter what shade you choose. Don't worry, with additional choices, you can get both. The color enhances your natural lips, adding the perfect balance, tint, and shine. Just looking at it, it looks kind of intimidating, but let's put some like on the back of our hand. She's like really, really sheer. But you can kind of build it up. I'm building it up a lot here. I'll put one right next to it. So I kind of did it on my thumb here because I had some pink stains from when I did something earlier, eyeshadows. So here is the one that's built up. And then, here, wrong way, Christina. And then here is the one that's just a one swipe is, you know, right next to that. So it's really, really pretty. It's kind of a peachy type shade. I hope it doesn't pull. It's pulling orange on the light. It's not that orange in person. From Essentials is a natural and organic skincare brightening body scrub. It does retail for $24. This brightening body scrub is made with apricot seeds to gently exfoliate and remove dead skin cells. Aloe and argan oils deeply nourish and maintain the skin's natural moisture barrier, while invigorating pure essential oil blend leaves your senses renewed and your skin healthy. So this one has me intrigued. This is a truly clear, wrinkle-fighting silicone 3-piece face set. So you basically have the forehead and under the eyes. Now this retails for $36. And the devil works hard, but this truly clear, wrinkle-fighting silicone 3-piece face set works harder. They're made with 100% German medical-grade silicone and crafted specifically for your forehead and under your eyes and around your mouth. Ooh, there's around your mouth one too. These patches are specifically designed to create a therapeutic environment for your skin. They're intended to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and restore the radiance, hydration, and texture. So it says, before applying the patches, cleanse and dry your skin thoroughly. Make sure the area is free of oils, creams, and serums. Remove the patch from the pouch and peel off the plastic film. Retain the plastic film. Smooth the patch over the wrinkle, pressing gently to adhere. Wear overnight or for a minimum of 3 hours for best results. Apply before bed and leave on all night. The patches stay in place. Remove after 6 to 8 hours. Sounds pretty cool. So what was your guys' favorite items in here? Dare I say that a favorite item was in the mystery bundle? That serum, the Dr. Brandt Lash and Brow Serum. I think that's my favorite. What is yours? Let me know in the comments down below. Secret word of the day is wrinkle. Let's give away those wrinkle fighting 3-piece face set to one of you guys. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. And make sure to put on it your YouTube name so I can verify, yes, you are subscribed to the channel. Now you're only going to fill out the form once, and on the form there's a spot to mark if you did the bonus entries. Like I said, only fill out the form once, but you can mark on there if you did do the bonus entries, if you actually did do them, because you don't want to get disqualified. So your 4 ways are: number 1, go follow me on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. Your second way is if you follow me on X, formerly Twitter. That's BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. Your third way is if you follow me on TikTok, it's Christina Marie, BeautyAmaB. And your fourth way is if you share this with your family, friends, on your social media accounts. It's a way that really helps out the channel when you do, and I really, really want to say thank you so much for you guys for doing that. So it's a way for you guys to get an extra bonus entry. Let's have this giveaway go through June 7th, midnight Mountain Standard Time. Then on June 12th, what I will do is I will take from the Google Forms, if everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing, and also on the bonus entries, if everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing there, put those in the computer. I'll put first name, first initial, last name, put them in the computer. The computer spins all the names around, the computer picks. I don't, so don't ask to win. And then as soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete all of those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. I don't sell that information. I don't share that information. I don't create distribution lists. I don't do anything like that. So YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. You must be 18 years old or older, or have your parents' permission to enter. Giveaways open internationally. I am not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. So if you like the video, give it a big like. It really helps out the channel when you do. YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you checking it out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. And I will see you soon. I hope that you guys had a fabulous Memorial Day. I don't even know what I'm doing yet. I think we're staying here. I don't know if we're going to go up to the cabin and start opening that up for the summer. I don't know. Let me know what you guys did in the comments down below. Take care of you guys. Have a beautiful rest of your day. And I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye.